everyone, we're here again at the Emmet Lake. So we will take our KATISKA and then we will look if we got a fish now. So let's go. So here, this one. This is the rope of our KATISKA. This one. I will take this out. Oh, it's so heavy. It's not the KATISKA. It's the crate. Oh. Let's see if we got something. Whoa! Are you excited? There's one. There is one fish. Look.
Biggest one this far.
Ooh, we got one again. Oh, let's go here at the, not so near in the water because the fish will go back. And then look, they're broken.
You break it?
No.
Yes.
No, I didn't.
Look, it's broken. She break it.
It broke by itself. I didn't do anything. It's not my fault. Maybe this one will break again. How will I take it out?
Can't feel it there.
This one. Uy! Go out. Yeah. Now I'm so expert. Aha, it's so heavy. Then we will put back. So let's go in our KATISKA number 2. I'm excited. I will run. It's so nice weather here. Look. So we are here at our KATISKA number 2. First, we will take out this tree that we put up. Oh, this one is heavy. And now, the moment of truth. This one is hard. What
Just
do
take
you
it
think?
out. They
I
might
feel
take
something.
it out so they don't escape.
Oh,
Oh, that's a big one. Oh yeah,
oh.
that's a nice one.
We got another.
2. We have 2.
Oh, we got 2.
Yes.
Oh, this one is big again. Oh, oh. It's so heavy. I will let my husband take this fish out. It's so heavy. So now guys, my husband will take out the fish because it's too heavy. I can't do it myself. Oh, we got 2 in here. We got a big one and a small one. Oh, it's still windy. It's cold. Is it cold? Our fish here. Our fish. We have fish here. 1. So we got 3 fish today. So it's been 3 days since we left our Katiska. In the water. Look at our fish. Oh, the fish is swimming. And my fisherman. And now we will take it out. Oh, it's so cold. We will take it out, guys. There you go. That's the big one. That one's the big one. And there is a small one there. It's still the same fish that we got. It's still pike, northern pike. This one, that one. Look. And then the other one is escaping. There. So we got 2 pikes in our Katiska number 2. We will put it here in our plastic. It's still alive. How much do you think this big one weight? Looks like the same as the first one. The 3 kilo. Look at that. Ooh, swimming, 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 swimming. Swimming, swimming. Flip, flop, flip, flop. We will put it back again, our Katiska. So we will be doing this one until we don't get the fish. Was it until summer we can put Katiska?
Pretty much all of May.
What?
Pretty much all of May.
Ah, until May. And then in the summer, it's like in June or July month, we will be fishing with that, not with the Katiska, but with that, what's the name of that one? When we do the manual fishing. Is it like manual fishing? I don't know what is that called.
Fishing.
It's fishing, the real fishing. We will not use any trap. And then our fish is here. It's coming close to me. The one. So now guys, we caught 3 fish in our 2 Katiska. Oh, it's a little bit cold here. The air is cold, but there is sun, but the wind is so cold. And there is my fisherman. Hello, fisherman.
Hello, asawa ko.
We will put back the fish. We'll put it in the plastic because we will clean it up there. There. Oh, it's so windy though. So we got 3 fish today.
A few moments later.
What happened?
Trying to escape.
It's like an adventure fishing. So that's the good side of living in a countryside area. You know. So now we are going home, so we will clean our fish there. So we got 3 fish for today, and that is so good.
Flashback.
Dang, ta-da-dang! We don't know yet. Oh, we got again. Oh, it's still one. It's still one, but it's so big. Oh, it's so big. Look at that. It's even bigger than the last one. Look. Oh, Oh, that's so big. We got one again, but it's bigger than the first one. Huh?
It was so big it moved the trap.
What?
It was so big that it moved the trap.
Yeah. Oh, it's so big. Oh my, can you hold that one? Ah! Oh, look at that. It's so big. How do you think how much that weight? Can you see it? Oh, that
4 or
one.
5.
4 or 5. Do you think?
Kind of beyond weather.
Yeah. It's really big. It's still moving. Can you see it, guys? Like, you can see, guys, we're having problem of getting it out because it's too big. So it's getting out already. It's getting out. It's even bigger than the first one.
It's much bigger than the first one.
Look at that one. Oh my god. No, don't do that one again. Don't do that one again. Look at that one. Ooh, it's really big.
You just need to grab it. Grab it beneath.
It's already alive.
Nah, it's dead. Yes.
Wait, it's so slimy.
Yes, it's a fish. Hold it up. It got dirty.
No, 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 no.
Like nerves, they do that.
Huh?
That's just nerves, they do that like after they're dead. They might do a little bit twisting. Hold it up. Higher up. Ah, that's a big one.
Look at our plastic and then our fish. Our plastic versus our fish. We can fit it in. Now we got it bent. So we will clean our fish now. And then see you again on our next fishing adventure here at Emmett Lake. Hormike.
5.7.
Okay. So this is how our fish look like. It's already clean. We fillet the fish. This one. This was the big one. And this is the small one. Look. Oh, it's so clean. This one. Ta-da! Look at that one. Oh. This one. Ta-da! Ta-da! See you on our next vlog. Bye!